My name is Diego Romero. I'm from Portland, Oregon.
And I'm studying electrical engineering. I started baking in 2021 when my parents gave me a book called Tartine Bread. Not only does baking require you to pay attention to all the variables of your environment, it really demands of you to be creative in the way you adapt to those variations in temperature and humidity. When you're baking at different elevations, that changes a lot of factors, and I think that's really applicable to life. It's about adapting to all the shifts and challenges that push and pull our life and our bread in different directions. Sometimes you end up with the perfect loaf. Sometimes it's not quite what you expected, but it's always an exhilarating feeling. My freshman year at Stanford gave me a lot of different perspectives with what I could do with my major and my study. What really makes me intrigued about electrical engineering is its applicability to renewable energy, energy storage, and the electrical grid. And what I really like about it is it allows me to tackle the problem of climate change through a very technical perspective, and one that incorporates the math and science that I'm really interested in. In the future, I'd love to see all of our electricity come from carbon neutral sources. And of course, this system would take a lot of work in terms of battery storage and where that electricity comes from, but it's a problem that I'm really excited to tackle.